How to book tour packages on the official IRCTC website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps of how you can book a tour package using the IRCTC official website. So IRCTC offers various different types of tour packages which you can book using the official IRCTC website. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice like the Google Chrome, and then on the search bar simply search for irctc.co.in. So as here you can see, this is the irctc.co.in, which is the official IRCTC website. Then once you are inside the website, you can log in with your IRCTC account credentials. That means your user ID and the password. And once you are done logging in into this IRCTC website, you will be landed onto the home page, which will look like this. Now the next thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this holidays option. So once you will hover your cursor over to this holidays option at the top, you can see a menu bar that appears. Now from here you can simply click on tour packages, and upon hovering the cursor you have two different types of tour packages. The first one is the domestic package and the second one is the international package. So you can choose any of the package that you want. Let us go with the domestic one, and it will open a new page, and from here you have different types of tour packages. You can also filter them according to their specific needs, like it has air packages, land package, river cruise, or also the rail tour package. Apart from that, you have different categories like the rail tour package, holidays, domestic air, Bharat Gaurav, etc. And you can also sort them according to the origin. So here are all the origin cities from where the tour essentially starts, and you can choose any of the cities that you would like. So upon, let's say you want to book any particular tour, so let's say if you want to book this particular tour, you can simply click onto this book now button, and then from here you will have all the details, like you can select the tour starting date. So each tour has a particular starting date, so you can choose any starting date that you want. And then here are some of the things like the category. So currently only the comfort category is available, and here are the details, and the rates are in per person. So you can click onto this continue button, and then from here you have different types of settings for the accommodation. So you can simply adjust the accommodation as per your requirement, and then you can click onto this book button, and you will need to enter your IRCTC username and password, or you can also choose a guest login if you would like. And then you can simply pay up the sum of amount of money, and your package will be successfully booked and mailed to your communication details as well. So that's how easily you can book a tour package using the official IRCTC website. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.